Hi guys, I'm András from Fotowerkstatt, and today, as always, I'm going to show you something very exciting, which I think interests you a lot. As you know, I have been building lightsabers and other props using my own custom electronics for a couple of years now. And lately I discovered something, an exciting new stuff, which I'm going to tell you now. So you know that we have lightsabers, yeah, sure. And well, what you have to know about lightsabers, they make a lot of noise, and they all make this kind of light effects which are going to make you blind because the sabers are so bright. Well, they are kind of annoying piece of technologies, and I was thinking about how could I make actually a better Star Wars saber, which is now more modern, more up to date, and somehow also more in line with the recent development in the Star Wars universe. And I found my stuff. So, meet my new Star Wars saber. Yes, this is my new lightsaber. Sorry, this is my new Star Wars saber. And what is special about this weapon? Well, I'm going to tell you. The special thing about this one is that this saber is made of pure beskar. Yes, this is a beskar sword. And it's so much superior compared to a male lightsaber. Well, first of all, it's silent. Yeah? You will never hear it. Yeah? It doesn't make any noise. You will not wake up your family in the middle of the night just because they're playing with it. This is actually a real warrior's weapon. It has the right balance, it has the right length, and of course it's more durable. It's much more stronger than a lightsaber. You can see that this is just a mere polycarbonate blade, and if you compare it, of course, this beskar saber will definitely win the day. Yeah? So therefore, this is actually the future, and I'm very much convinced about it. And now comes the exciting thing. I'm going to tell you how you can make this very nice weapon yourself at home. So stay tuned.